Hi friends, it's Val. Welcome to my channel, voswain. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have an unboxing of a box that I packed for Operation Christmas Child. This is a box for a girl in the age range of 5 to 9, and it has a unicorn theme. Actually, JoJo and unicorns. JoJo loves unicorns. And I packed it in a photo box that I purchased at Michael's, and I don't use these very often anymore, but I do once in a while, and when I do, I add clear packaging tape to give them a little extra protection. And so let me show you what I packed. On the inside lid, I added a piece that I cut from some packaging. It has JoJo on it and her little puppy, and it says peace, love, and unicorns. And then I added the phrase "you are special" and some other little images. So that is the inside of the lid. And right on top is, she will find her school supplies pack. These pencil pouches are actually on sale right now at Walgreens for 79 cents. I got that tip from Denise at D. Rogers, and I found a couple, but most of my, I went to a couple Walgreens and they didn't have very many left. So she has a glue stick that I just wrapped in some saran wrap in case there's a melting issue. Some kid scissors, pink kid scissors, some pencil top erasers, a slap bracelet that is a 6-inch ruler on one side, a rainbow eraser, bigger eraser, and then on the inside I have a variety. Well, here's a very cute JoJo pen with the signature JoJo bow on one end. It's an ink pen. And then I also have a variety of pencils and pens in here. I've got some colored pencils, some number 2 lead pencils, some novelty, cute novelty pencils that have glitter and rainbows, unicorns, and then I have some gel pens, and I have some ink pens, a blue ink pen and a black ink pen. So I think that this little girl should be set for school with her writing utensils and her other school supplies. She has a tote bag, just a thin nylon drawstring backpack type tote bag, purple in color, and so she has a tote bag to take her things home in. She has a cute unicorn dress. Got this at Walmart. It's Wonder Nation. Came in a 2-pack. It has unicorns and butterflies and hearts and flowers, and it's pink, and it's a size 7/8. I got this in a 2-pack. I believe I paid $3 for the 2 dresses. So that's her dress. She has a smaller JoJo doll. I left a piece of the packaging on so that her hair would be protected. This is my cat Milo, by the way. I have a pair of socks. These are like slipper socks, and so they're non-skid. Love those. They have unicorns on them. I believe I got these on clearance, I think from Walgreens. She has a pair of novelty sunglasses, JoJo sunglasses, $1 from Walmart on clearance. I love the signature JoJo bow on those sunglasses. She has a stuffy. This is a Squishmallows brand. This one is a Flip Mallows. I got hooked on these because of my daughter. She's 21, but she collects these, and I love this one. It's a unicorn panda, and it flips. Oh, I have 2 pair of underwear inside. A pair that has JoJo on it, and then just a pair of emoji underwear. So this panda unicorn flips into a pig unicorn. So that is her Flip Mellow Stuffy. I think those are so adorable. She has some dry erase markers to go with the dry erase mat that I have in the bottom of the box. She has a bead kit so she can make a necklace. It has the beads, the cording, and the squishy, puffy unicorn. So she has a little craft item. Note to the child. I just took a note card and then added in a cutout. I cut that unicorn out from some packaging. So that is the note. She has this necklace and earring set of a unicorn. Clearance. I got this on clearance at Walmart. I left it on the packaging and just add some, painter's tape to secure the chain so that it doesn't flop around and get tangled. She has a headband that I clipped a bow, a JoJo bow, so that she has a cute bow for if she doesn't have hair, she can still wear her bow. And then I have this. Here's the dry eraser to go with the dry erase markers. Just this little hygiene kit. It has a bar of soap, some lip balm, some more lip balm in the shape of a cupcake. She has some more of those thin headbands, a couple of hair scrunchies, glittery silver, and purples and pinks and aqua colored tie-dye, some thin hair ties. So that is her hygiene kit. She has a hairbrush, a pop-out hairbrush from the Dollar Tree that has a unicorn on it. She has a pencil sharpener, these 99 cents from Walgreens. You push up on it and it opens the sharpeners, so it's enclosed to catch the shavings. I love those pencil sharpeners. She has this bracelet. I don't know what you call these. I know kids make these a lot. I purchased this one and I don't remember where, but she has that nice bracelet. She has a toothbrush. I'm gonna have to, and oh, it lights up. That's right. You're supposed to, the packaging said to keep brushing until it stops flashing. So that's real cute. It's JoJo. I'll have to add a cap to the top. I love that it has a suction so that it'll stick to some surfaces. She has, get that out of the way so the flashing doesn't annoy us. She has this pop-outs fun box, and I had packed one of these in a Paw Patrol theme, and so now I remember where I got them, because I know where I got this one was Five Below. And so there's lots of room inside. It comes with the pop-outs and the markers to color the pop-outs and a notepad and some stickers. But I also added some items. I added some unicorn tattoos, a unicorn finger puppet, and some hair bows, JoJo hair bows, some extra bows. So she's got 3 bows, a cross necklace from Hobby Lobby, some erasers, cute novelty erasers, a cupcake, a donut, a camera, a boombox. And she has, of course, the markers that came with it. I stuck in a couple of unicorn Valentines that I got on clearance after Valentine's Day. She has this little mini journal that has a unicorn on it, and the paper inside has lines, so I love that. Just this little notepad with blank paper, and a little game tablet that has a unicorn on it, coloring pages and little games. She has a sheet of JoJo stickers, and then she has the pop-outs. So that is her fun box with all the fun things included. And she has this fun journal, JoJo journal. It says cute and confident. I love the image of JoJo and her puppy on the front, along with all the cupcakes and the hearts, and then on the back there's a big signature JoJo bow. And the inside pages are very cute. One side is kind of, she could draw and put her stickers down, and then the other side has lines so she can keep a journal. Very cute images on the inside of this journal. I got most of these JoJo items at Five Below. She has a magic towel with a unicorn on it for her washcloth. She has a box of 24 crayons, Crazy Art from Walmart. She has a JoJo notebook. It says Unicorn Lover. So that is her notebook for school. I have a photo of my family. She has a coloring book that has unicorns on it. It's Lisa Frank. This is a coloring and activity book, so it has images to color and lots of fun games like tic-tac-toe and I believe dot to dot and different games. So that is her coloring and activity book. And then I have a playmat, the playmat that I made, combination playmat / dry erase mat. So I just used some very light, it's got like a little pink print. I don't know if you can see it. And then I added the Valentines before I laminated it. So that is her playmat. The other side is dry erase, so she can use her dry erase markers and her dry erase eraser. And I just noticed that I don't have a note. I usually write a note on a sticky note and just put it on here explaining what this is used for, and that she should use it to play on and or to use her dry erase markers to write on and draw on and wipe off. And that is my JoJo box, JoJo Loves Unicorn box. So if you saw something you like, I hope you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, leave a comment to share your ideas and tell me what you liked. And I appreciate you tuning into my channel, and until next time, I'm going to say goodbye for now.